A few years ago, a client asked me to develop a workshop for a group of people in their organisation who felt that their lack of confidence was holding them back in some areas of their career. And the situations we were looking at ranged from people who really felt unable to challenge in a difficult situation, people who felt able to stand up and present quite complex material to a room full of strangers, but really didn't feel comfortable doing it with their own team. People who were so challenged by the idea of being criticised that they were reluctant to speak up at any meeting and therefore couldn't represent their teams. It was quite a broad spectrum, and the workshop we developed and which we've now run multiple times, across the UK, focused on working with a small group. Because in a small group of 6 to 8 people, everyone gets the opportunity for personal attention to really deal with their issues. So the things we look at are identifying the situations that we find challenging and working out what the triggers are to those negative thoughts and beliefs that start whirling in our mind. Understanding what's actually happening in our brain, and then learning a few really simple tips and techniques to allow us to work with that and overcome it. What I can't promise is that the feelings of lack of confidence or apprehension will go away completely. They never will. But I can promise some insight into what's going on and some really practical tools to allow you to work with them and work through them. So if you or a member of your team feel that lack of confidence is holding you back, it would be great to talk to you to see if there's something we can do to help. Thanks.